Don't you feel it growing day by day? People getting ready for the news. Some are happy, some are sad. Oh, you gotta let the music play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do if you know how. Gotta get a message, get it on through. Oh no, mama's going to have to why. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music all the time. Well, I know you know better everything I say. Meet me in the country for a day. We'll be happy and we'll dance. Oh, we gotta dance the blues away. If I'm feeling good to you and you're feeling good to me, there ain't nothing we can do or say. Feeling good, feeling fine. Oh baby, let the music play. Everybody, oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music all the time. Like a lazy flowing river, surrounding castles in the sky, and the crowd is growing bigger, listening for the happy sounds, and I got to let them fly. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music. Oh, oh, listen to the music all the time. One more time. Oh, 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 listen to the music. Oh, oh, all the time. Mr. Richardson here. Thank you everybody. Muchísimas gracias. The Freewinds Band, Amy Zorrinho, Rajiv Landaeta.
And Etienne Semelin.
Thank you.